Frequently bought together is the Amazon-style widget that shows up below the buy button on a product page. 2 or 3 complementary products grouped together, individual checkboxes, a combined price, 1 add to cart click. On Shopify, Code Black Belt's app brings that exact pattern to your store. 5,000 reviews, 4.9 stars. The conversion math is simple. The widget catches shoppers who are already buying. Adding one more item is near zero friction. A 10% average order value lift is conservative. Stores doing 100 orders a day at $30 AOV add 300 a day from this widget. Today, I'll walk you through installing it, configuring the algorithm, creating a manual bundle, customizing the look, and setting the discount. By the end of this video, the widget is live on your store and matched to your highest traffic product. Total setup time, about 10 minutes. Let's start with the install. The App Store listing for Frequently Bought Together by Code Black Belt. 5,000 reviews, 4.9 stars, built in 2017. Code Black Belt is a serious dev team behind it. What it does, adds a frequently bought together panel below your product description with AI-picked or manual product recommendations. Pricing. Starter plan is free, capped at 3 manual bundles. Professional plans scale by monthly order volume. Professional 1 at $9.99 for up to 50 orders monthly. Professional 2 at $19.99 for 500. Professional 3 at $39.99 for 500 plus. 14-day free trial on every paid plan. Click Install at the top of the page, accept the requested permissions, and you land in the app's admin dashboard. I've already installed it on the demo store. Let me show you the admin. Here's the Frequently Bought Together admin. The app loads inside your Shopify admin frame. 6 sub-pages in the left sidebar. Bundle tuning, manual bundles, visual styles, discounts, position, analytics. The default landing page is bundle tuning, controls for the automatic recommendation engine. 2 settings here matter. Minimum confidence, how statistically tight the auto pairings have to be before showing. Lower means more bundles displayed but weaker pairings. Higher means fewer but tighter. Leave on default for the first 30 days. Maximum products per bundle. Default is 2. 2 converts best for impulse ads. 3 is the practical cap, never set to 4. Close the onboarding feedback alert at the top right. We'll come back to setup after the manual bundle demo. Click Manual Bundles in the sidebar. This page is where you pin specific product pairings, overriding the auto recommender. Empty state says Configure a manual bundle. Click Select a product to check its bundle to start. A product picker opens. Search for the base product, the one shoppers will land on. I'll use Premium Cotton Crew Tee. Check the row. Hit Select bottom right. You land on the bundle configuration page for that product. Now click Add Recommendations to pick the complementary product. Same picker pattern. Search for the complement. I'll use Heavyweight Pullover Hoodie. Sensible apparel pairing. Check the row, hit Add. The bundle saves automatically. No save button to remember. Look at the table. Premium Cotton Crew Tee bundles with Heavyweight Pullover Hoodie. Every shopper viewing the t-shirt sees the hoodie as the companion suggestions. Click Visual Styles in the sidebar. This page controls how the widget looks on your storefront. 3 things to set. Match your theme button color. The Add Selected button should feel native, not foreign. Button copy. Default is Add Selected to Cart. Change to Add Both or Add all 3 depending on bundle size. Layout density. Horizontal cards for large items, compact for apparel. Match the rhythm of your existing product pages. Click Discounts in the sidebar. This is the single most important setting in the entire app. Set the bundle discount to 7% for the first 30 days. 5 to 10 is the sweet spot for impulse upsells. Discount stacking off by default. Toggle on only if your store runs site-wide coupons regularly. Click Position. Default placement is below the product description. That's also the highest converting slot on a Shopify PDP. Before we leave the admin, the one step that 90% of tutorials skip. The widget won't render on your storefront until you add the theme block. Open a new tab. Online Store, Themes, click Customize on your live theme. Inside the theme editor, find the product template. Click Add Block, search Frequently Bought Together. Drop the block under the Buy Buttons block. Hit Save, 60 seconds of work. Skipping this is the reason most store owners install upsell apps and then conclude they don't work. Here's the shopper's view of the product we just configured, Premium Cotton Crew Tee. Once the theme block is added, the Frequently Bought Together widget renders right here, below the product description. Because we manually paired this t-shirt with heavyweight pullover hoodie, that's exactly what shoppers see. Title, thumbnail, checkboxes pre-selected, combined price showing the bundle savings, add selected button. This is the moment shoppers convert on the upsell. They've read enough to want the t-shirt. Their attention is on the page. The hoodie slots in as a natural complement, not an interruption. Position matters as much as the discount. That's why FBT defaults to placing the widget below the buy button, not in a pop-up that would interrupt the flow. Quick recap of the entire flow. Install Frequently Bought Together from the App Store. Free starter plan covers 3 bundles. Inside the admin, 6 subpages. Bundle tuning controls the auto recommender. Leave defaults for 30 days. Manual bundles lets you pin specific pairings. Select base product, search, check the row, hit select. Add recommendations, search complement, hit add. Bundle saves automatically. Visual styles, match your theme button color and copy. Discounts, 7% is the sweet spot. Position, leave on default below the buy button. Critical final step. Theme editor, customize, product template, add block, drop the FBT block, save. Within 30 days, you'll see 10 to 15% AOV lift on products with active bundles. That's 300 extra revenue per day on a 100 orders a day store. 2 action steps this week. 1. Install the app and complete the theme block. Don't skip the theme step. 2. Manually pin bundles for your top 5 products by traffic. Don't trust the auto recommender until you have a month of data feeding it. If this helped, hit subscribe. New Shopify app deep dives every week. Affiliate link to Frequently Bought Together is in the description.